Hello, YouTube. In today's episode of KYR News, we will be covering videos from multiple YouTube channels. Today's first video is brought to you by Hold Them Accountable Philadelphia. Please take a moment and head over to his YouTube channel and show him some love by subscribing to his channel.
Okay, how you doing today?
How you doing today?
I wanted to file a complaint on two officers, sheriffs, that violated my constitutional rights when I was across the street, right? So I asked this young lady, I said, is video recording illegal? She said no. In a public place. I'm in a public place.
Legal.
Huh? It's legal, right?
Correct.
I go over to CJC. It's a public building, and I know that you can't record in the courtrooms, but in the public areas that's accessible, I can record, right? I was just detained, cuffed for doing a constitutionally protected act, right?
Who detained you?
Let me get you. Now, this is my business I went over there for. This is my business that I went over there for. They said I didn't have business in there. Oh, I'm sorry. I don't put it on the floor. That's my business.
Where were you reporting at?
I was in the as soon as you walk in the door, I was in the auditorium.
So who detained you is what I'm asking.
I'm going to tell you right now. We have whoever 535 is a white shirt, tall white guy, and we have the sergeant.
And what was the ticket for?
Disorderly conduct. Because they said that
I need you to sign that. You have ID?
you know, like I told her that when I come down here to file a complaint, I don't have to identify myself.
No, you have to give us your ID so we can sign you in so I can get you the help.
I understand that 100%. But you know, the law says I don't have to identify myself unless I break the law or commit a crime with fact to back it. You guys have to have it. You guys don't have that. So what I'm saying is I need to speak to you. Right.
That's what I'm saying to you.
Yes, sir.
I understand.
Yes, sir.
That you do not have to have ID.
Yes, sir.
From your perspective.
There you
I'm
go.
telling you the procedure for this is so we can sign you in.
I get it.
For a law that you have been in this
Okay,
facility
let's
right
do
now.
this, right? Let's put me down as good citizen, right? Let's put me down as good citizen because I'm not doing anything wrong. Everything I'm doing is constitutionally protected, right? I don't have to identify myself when I'm coming here to file a complaint.
If you don't identify yourself, how do we know the person that's on that ticket is you and it happened to you?
What do you mean?
You coming in complaining that somebody gave you a ticket and you felt as though that your rights was constitutionally violated.
Yeah, right.
And you want us to be able to correlate what happened. Hold on. We can correlate what happened to you to what's on that ticket.
Yeah, they could.
Is that what you want me to do?
They can do it. They falsely.
Answer my questions.
You know I don't have to answer questions,
Then how are
right?
you gonna get to the bottom of what happened if you don't want to answer,
so listen.
or you want to be selective about the questions?
No. It's not. I want to be selective. What I want to do is I want to hold that person accountable. Yes, sir. I don't want to impede traffic. I don't want to impede traffic.
And this is what I'm saying to you.
Yes, sir.
If you want to hold this person accountable,
Yes, sir.
if there's a reason for this person to be held accountable,
Yes, sir.
I need your ID to sign in so we can start the investigation.
Okay, cool. All right, cool. Now let me ask you this question: is wearing a mask in a public place illegal?
No,
Can I be detained or arrested for not wearing a mask in a public place?
not here.
Okay. How about in the CJC, where I was just detained and arrested for not wearing a mask because I
That's
would.
not what you articulated to me a second
I'm
ago.
gonna tell you.
You
Listen.
told me you was recording,
Listen. I go in that building on a regular basis. I got a YouTube page. I go around. I hold public officials accountable. Right. This is not the first time that they told me not to record in there. So this time I went in there and I didn't record. But when I went into the office that gave me this, I started to record. They called the sheriffs. I was detained. I was arrested. I was assaulted. I was kidnapped. Right? Because when you move me from one place to another without my consent, that's kidnapping. Yes, sir. No problem. I'm not here to record them. I'm here to record the public officials.
Again.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna give her my ID so we can do what we need to
To
do.
the next step.
There we go.
And we can go from there to resolve your issues.
Okay.
just give
Let me
us
get this
ID.
ticket. Yeah, no problem.
He's gonna give you his ID. You can have a seat there, and I'm gonna get the proper chain of command to handle this. You want to call town affairs? Okay, so just give me your ID for me,
Okay.
gentlemen.
All right. Thank you much. What's your name and badge number?
Sergeant Postel, badge number 218.
Very kind, cordial, and polite. Just like your policy said. Thank you.
Today's second video is brought to you by News Now Buffalo. Please take a moment and head over to his YouTube channel and show him some love by subscribing to his channel.
Pretty good in yourself.
I'm good. Can I get your name and badge number?
Right there. Wow. Officer Dickinson.
Huh?
Badge number 3511. you are now being asked to leave. I know it's your right to record whatever you want, but
It's a public building. I have business here.
they don't want you here. So
If they're uncomfortable, they should think about a different career.
right. But
This is a public building. I have business here. They can't just ask me to leave and say your business isn't considered business here. That's not fair. I have a First Amendment protected activity that I'm engaged in right now.
what is that?
I am a independent journalist gathering content for a story. I'm doing a story on the post office. I explained that to them.
Right.
And then I said, that is my business. I'll be done as soon as I'm finished gathering my content. I got the cards. I got the different stuff that's available, the different prices. And you sound educated.
As long as you don't disrupt their business.
Absolutely not.
Okay.
They were all
It's
off on
legal
their
for you to
own.
take snapshots and video within a public area.
That's right.
Okay, of a federal building.
That's right.
Once you disrupt their business, then it becomes our problem. You
Right.
understand that?
I understand that.
Okay.
100%.
So if you're not disrupting their business right now, you can take video and you can take pictures.
Thank you.
Okay.
Explain that to them. They need to be educated. I was not interrupting.
2010, it was a law that was passed that you can within a public area.
Correct.
Okay.
What's your name and badge number, by the way, for the record?
Officer Hayden, 3500.
Ma'am, since you responded, name and badge number?
It's right here.
Is that what,
3760.
right here is your honest response when you come and address
You can see it.
it don't matter. What's your policy?
You can see it. Well, we got to give you our badge and our name, so that's fine. I mean, you're doing everything right. But once you get your contact, they're
Right.
going to ask you to leave and just leave the premises.
Absolutely. And then no one was here. I came in early. There was no customers.
But once you get in the way of customers and start disrupting their
Absolutely.
customers
Yep.
and stuff, then it becomes a problem.
I understand
you,
that.
You obviously know that.
Yep.
Okay. So right now, if you're going to video what you can within a public area.
Yep.
Once you go and start videotaping, private stuff,
Right.
then they have a problem with it.
Absolutely.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Talk to these guys and let them know.
Thank you. Thank you for your professionalism. I appreciate it.
Can with inside here.
Thank you.
Okay.
Appreciate it. Have a good day. Stay safe out there, officer.
You cannot film within that blue box. Okay.
What blue box?
He said that you stuck your camera within the blue box.
Within what blue box?
Did he stick it inside?
Inside what blue box? Is it a mailbox?
Yes.
I did not open it. I didn't touch it. I went up to it.
Okay.
I went up to it. It's on camera. So if he wants to lie,
Okay.
You can't record this either.
You
I
can't
can-
record
this-
federal
I-
employees doing their job. Okay, within going up there.
I can stand back here and I can record it from here.
Exactly.
Yep.
You cannot go up there and do anything to the counter. Okay, they have receipts on the counter with people's information.
All right. So
Okay.
if they have receipts on the counter,
Now,
that's
look, I've been cordial to you.
I understand.
I'm telling you how it's going.
Okay.
Once they have a problem with what you're doing within a public area, then they have a problem. Okay.
Hmm?
He knows obviously that you are allowed to film and take snapshots.
Hmm?
But once you're done with your stuff, they're going to ask you to leave.
absolutely.
How long do you think it's going to take you to take your?
I got like less than 2 minutes left.
Less than 2 minutes.
Less
Why
than
don't
2
you do
minutes.
that? I'm gonna sit outside and then you and I will talk outside and then you can take your video and everything. If they have a problem, they're gonna come out and talk to me about it.
Perfect.
Okay?
Appreciate it.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
Sound good?
Thank you.
Sound good? As long as he doesn't come to.
The last video today we'll be covering is from Patriot Watch. Please take a moment and head over his YouTube channel and show him some love by subscribing to his channel.
Can I help you?
Hey, what's up?
What are you doing?
Touching me for? This,
What are you
this is
doing?
public, bro.
Why are you recording our vehicles?
Cause I'm in public. Why are you touching me for, man?
Why are you recording our vehicles?
Why are you touching me for?
Sir,
Why are you guys
recording
surrounding
our vehicles?
Why are you guys surrounding me? Hold
Okay,
on,
but
hold
why are you
on.
recording our vehicles?
Hold on.
Go get the
Cause I'm in
sergeant.
public. It's my First Amendment right. I
Why-
don't have
why
no
are you
ill
recording
will
the vehicles?
because I can't. I'm in public. Don't
Take your
touch
hands
me,
out your
sir.
pocket for me, bro. Okay.
I don't consent to any seizure or searches.
Okay.
Don't search me
But why are you recording our vehicles?
because I can't. I'm in public, sir. I have no ill will.
But
This is
you're
my first
recording
time.
the precinct and in the vehicle.
What's your name, and badge number?
Torres 9832.
All right, I have a right to do this. My First Amendment.
Okay.
Why are you touching me for, man?
Nobody's touching
I don't
you.
consent to no searches.
We're not searching you.
Why are you touching me then? Why you guys surrounding me for? Look.
Our cameras
But
are
what are
on,
you
so it's
recording,
recording
sir?
everything. We're recording you also, just
What
let
are
you know.
you
Our
recording?
cameras
This is
are
my
on.
First Amendment
Someone get
right.
the
Why you
boss,
guys
please.
coming up on me like that?
But why are you standing here recording the vehicles?
Because
sir?
it's my right.
Do you need anything from us?
No, I don't need no help.
Can we help you?
Come on, man. Why you touching me like that?
Nobody-
But what is
listen,
wrong with you?
know, the cameras
This
are
is
on.
my First
We're
Amendment
recording
right, bro.
everything you're doing.
Hello.
That's-
Don't get upset because I'm recording your cars. I'm not
You
doing
can't
anything
record
illegal.
our cars.
Is that
Why
a
are you
crime?
recording our cars?
Is that a crime?
It's not a crime.
Exactly.
Sir, but
So
I'm asking
keep
you
it
a
moving,
question.
man. I'm not doing
why
anything
can't
wrong.
you keep it moving?
come over here, coming all strong and stuff.
Do you
Come on.
need anything from us?
As soon as I came here, you started touching me and stuff. What's your problem, man? Got me nervous over here, bro. Got a gun and everything.
You're making us nervous that you're recording our vehicles.
It's all right. First Amendment, man. Recording in public. Why you coming up on me hard?
What's the issue for?
Yo, these guys are coming up on me hard as shit.
What is it?
This is my First Amendment right, bro. The one you took an oath to. You're coming up strong on me. Come on.
Sir,
Look at all these guys coming out. Look. Look. They're putting me over here.
He's recording vehicles in between the cars.
Okay?
So I saw him from down the block and I asked him
Look at
what
this.
he's doing.
Look at this. For recording.
Alright, you can record outside the station now, it's just not inside the station.
Exactly. What's your problem, man? Why are you touching people?
But why are you recording the
But why are you touching? Can you tell him not to touch people like that? Because he's touching me for no reason. I'm just recording in public. My First Amendment.
Okay, so you want to record outside, sir?
Right here, man.
I'm just recording outside. He came out here touching me and stuff.
Because we don't know what you're doing behind these vehicles.
What did I do?
Because you're walking in between the vehicles.
What
We
did
have
I
no
do?
idea what you're doing there.
Right, don't come so close to me,
Putting
man.
between these vehicles.
Don't
sir.
come so close to me.
Okay.
Sir,
You need to teach this guy something, man.
Let me talk to you, man. Let me talk to you.
You need to teach this guy something.
Let me talk to you. Listen.
Take the walk of shame right there, bro.
Sir, what's your name?
Don't get mad. Don't let your ego ruin your career. Don't let your ego ruin your career, dude.
Sir. What can I call you? What's your name?
Look, man, I have no ill will, bro.
No. I understand. Listen.
I'm not trying to cause any
You don't have to
harm.
give me your name. What can I call you? What can I call you?
Look, the whole squad came out. Look at that.
What can I call you, sir?
81st precinct. Nah, I don't get my name, man. I don't get my
No,
name.
whatever your name you want. You want to be John?
No, man, I don't get my name. I don't
All
get
right,
my name.
whatever. Listen, man, you can record outside the precinct. Just don't come in the precinct.
What's wrong with you guys, man?
No, I'm just saying. I'm talking.
What
to
the
you straight-
hell?
I'm talking to you straight up. And like, listen.
What's wrong with this guy?
Do your thing. And have a great day, okay?
What's wrong with you guys?
I'm just explaining. You're allowed
What
to
the hell? I'm just recording. You got me all nervous over here. You guys got
No,
guns
I'm
and
not-
stuff?
I'm not.
And tasers?
Listen, no. Nobody. First of all, my hands are raised.
It's on camera. He's touching me and stuff.
Nobody touched you. Well, I didn't.
You getting a complaint on you, dude. Where's that guy at?
Which guy?
Yo, you getting a complaint on you, bro. I got your badge number and shit.
All right, listen.
Come on, man. What's wrong with you?
Do you record?
You don't do that to citizens.
Torres, 9832 81st.
First Amendment. Oh, he's getting mad now. Look. What, you gonna shoot me, bro? You gonna shoot me? You gonna shoot me, man?
So you can do your recording. Okay, as long as everything is.
Look at his ego right now. Look at his ego.
Okay, never mind.
You guys are supposed to protect me, man. This is
I'm
my
telling-
right.
I'm telling you, you have a right to be here and record.
All right, so
outside the station.
why is he coming up touching me and stuff?
I wasn't here for that part. I'm just telling you, you're allowed to record here. That's all.
All right, but I'm telling you, he touched me. Why is he touching me for? You guys need
I
to
wasn't
learn
here
better
for
than
that.
that. Come on, guys.
I seriously wasn't here for that. If I knew, I'd give you a better answer. Okay.
Well, YouTube, I hope you liked this video. And please remember and go over and check out all of these auditors' YouTube channels and show them some love by subscribing to their channels. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to my channel. Until the next episode of KYR News, stay safe out there.